YouTube.
Hey YouTube, Pyroethics here. I'm with my daughter. Today we are going to show you Pagoda. We lit this up on her birthday, on my daughter's birthday. So what you see here has actually been used already. I just didn't get a chance to record it, and well, I did get a chance to record it. I just didn't get a chance to record this during the party. So now we're gonna show you the video. This is one of Red Apple's product. It's actually amazing. I love this cake. Can't wait to show it to you guys. And hope you like it. Don't forget to thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe, support the channel. You know, all that good stuff. And again, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video. See ya. Hey guys, so right now we got the pagoda getting lit by my daughter. This is one of their birthday cake. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell her to go light it. Go ahead, Mia! Run, Mia! I wish I could show you guys the mines right now. The mines is amazing.